Toys R Us? You found a secret door to Ryan's Toyreview's house?
Yes, I saw Ryan and he...
Tiger, look at this.
What?
His backpack. Let's see what's in his backpack. That's Ryan's toy. We found what's in his backpack.
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors.
What is it, Tiger? What is it?
I found a secret door to Ryan's house. I mean, a secret door on Toys R Us right there.
What? Toys R Us? You found a secret door to Ryan's Toyreview's house?
Yes, I saw Ryan and he gave me this.
Ryan gave you a spaceship?
Yeah.
Wow, that's awesome. Where is the secret door at, Tiger?
Follow me.
Okay, I'll follow you. Well, kids, we're at Toys R Us and Tiger found a secret door to Toys R Us. Toys R Us, to Ryan's World's house. Okay, what's the secret door, Tiger? Where's it at? You said you found it.
Oh, right there.
Oh, right there. Oh, right there. Let's go. Is this it here? This it here?
That's too short, actually.
This it here? Right here, the secret door?
Oh yeah, that is.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay, you go first.
Du-du-du-du-du.
Whoa! 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 Oh, Tiger, I think we're here. Tiger. Oh, huh? Tiger, what are you doing? Are we here? I think we're at Ryan's house. Let's go.
I've been sleeping the whole time.
Okay, come on. We made it to Ryan's house. Come on. Look out the door. Come on. I want you to check out the door.
What?
Come on. Look out the door. Are we here? Look out the door.
10 seconds. They're going to the garage. They're going somewhere.
Oh, they're here. They go. Okay. Yeah, maybe so. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa! Look at Ryan's house. Wow. Wow. Ryan's house is huge. Look at the kitchen. Wow. Ryan loves cooking. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Tiger. Look at the pantry. Wow. What's in the refrigerator, Tiger?
Oh, fish.
Water. Wow. Ryan loves water. Wow.
Because he needs to keep hydrated.
Yeah. What's in the... Any ice cream? Oh, no ice cream. Wow. Tiger, look. Look at that big sink.
Whoa.
Wow. Look at that. That's awesome. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Look at this. His backyard, Tiger. That is very nice.
Oh, what's this?
That's what you're eating. That's what you eat, Tiger. That's the chopstick, see? That's what you need. See? That kind of chopstick. See? Wow, Tiger, look at that. Let's go check out the Tiger, come on. Tiger, you're there, Tiger. Wow. Whoa, Tiger, look.
What?
Look at that.
Ryan's Toyreview.
That's what Ryan left his toy here. Yeah. Pick it up.
I think he lost it in there.
He left it in there? Wow, he was playing around maybe. Wow. Okay. Oh, my daddy glasses stopped. Can you get daddy glasses, please? Okay, thank you. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go upstairs, Tiger. Let's go upstairs.
Upstairs we go.
Yeah. Wow, we're at Ryan's house, kid. Ryan's house is huge. Look at this. Wow.
Whoa!
What? Whoa, he got a game room, kids. Look at this. Wow. He got a game room. That's soccer. Wow, look at that.
Where's the ball?
Where's the ball? Let's see. No. On this side, Tiger? No. Wow, kids, look at it. Wow. Oh, look at it. You got a refrigerator in too, Tiger.
And look.
And the water thing. Wow. Don't quit. Okay, Tiger, don't quit. Got it? You got it? Don't quit. You got this. Wow, you got a game room. That's cool. Wow, you jump on the sofa. Let's jump on Ryan's sofa, Tiger. Yeah. Yeah.
Look, Dad, look what that says.
Oh, look at this one. dream, believe, and achieve, Tiger. That's you. Yeah, just send it.
Right here.
Go hard or go home. Wow, that's cool. Look at Ryan's friend. Wow.
No, they're older. There must be his
Brother?
No, his husband.
Wow, look at Ryan. Look at his picture. His dad must be doing all into the water. Bottle flip. Not water flip, a back flip to a water, Tiger. Wow. Oh, here it is. Here's Ryan's room. Wow, look at Ryan's room. You got Tiger. Look at this.
What?
His backpack. Let's see what's in his backpack. Whoa, let's see what's inside his backpack. Whoa, that's Ryan's toy. We found what's in his backpack. What Ryan had in his backpack? He's going to school. Nothing? Okay. Wow.
And next one is just trash.
Oh, that's trash? Oh wow. Ryan's a Golden State fan, look. And a Clipper fan. Look at that, Tiger.
Wow.
He loves basketball. Wow, look at that scoreboard too, Tiger, look. That's awesome. Wow, look at the restroom. Huge restroom. He got another room. He got a secret. Look, Tiger. He got a secret room here. Second room. Ryan got 2 rooms, kids.
Wait a minute.
Look, there's Ryan, his dad, right there.
Wait a minute.
What?
Look.
What?
There's 2 rooms to them.
Wow. Look, that's where Ryan washes clothes and stuff, Tiger. Look. Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, this is Mom's master bedroom, Tiger. Look. Wow, look at the painting they got here. Yeah. Wow.
Whoa.
Oh, this is when Ryan's mom and dad got married. Look. Wow, look at that restroom. Wow, look at. Oh, wow, I got a closet, Tiger. Wow, it's a big closet.
Oh, what's in that?
Wow, look at that. I like the counter sink. Look at that. Where? What is it? What is in there?
Wait, I see
there's
our
nothing.
house.
Nothing?
No, I see our house actually.
I hear somebody, Tiger. Let's go. What's the way out? This house so big, I don't know. Oh, you gonna take a shower first? Okay, you gotta take a shower first. Take a shower first. Wow, take a shower first. Okay, come on, let's go. Wow, let's go. I gotta go back. Wow. Yeah, baby, we gotta go. Ryan's coming. We gotta go. Oh, you sure it's this way? This way?
Upstairs.
Wow. Okay. The house is so big. Are you sure it's this way? Where?
In here.
Oh no, that's not it. Come on, let's go. Go. We're gonna be late. Come on. He's coming. I hear the garage open.
Go.
Go. Let's go. Whoa.
What?
I think we're back home already.
Me too.
Okay, here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Yay! We made home, kids. We're at Toys. We didn't make it home. We made it to Toys R Us. Toys. Wow, Ryan got you a toy. That's awesome.
He gave me it for free.
That's awesome. That's a cool toy, Tiger.
Oh, look, it has blasters on the side.
Wow, that's cool. Look at. Wow. Ryan, some cool stuff at the house, huh?
I know. That's so crazy.
Yeah, so cool. Ryan got a lot of cool stuff at the house, huh?
Yeah.
And kids, we're at Toys R Us. Look at that. Secret door to Ryan's house through Toys R Us. Awesome. All right, Tiger. That's it. What you say?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Tigerbox HD and SuperBaby Colors. Make sure to subscribe and like, please. Bye.
Bye.